Good morning, students. Welcome to the GK digital class with Holy Heart Schools. Today we are going to start with our topic plugged in. In this chapter, we will be learning about the world of computers. While going through this topic, we will be coming across several new words like number 1, transistors. Transistor is a semiconductor that regulates current or voltage flow and acts as a gate for electric signals. Number 2, semiconductors. Semiconductor refer to the material that can conduct electricity in some conditions but not in others, making it a good medium for the control of electrical current. Number 3, hard drive. Hard drive is a device that stores all our data. Number 4, binary language. Binary language is a language of computers. Computers software translate all our provided information into the binary language and that data is processed. It is also called machine language. It uses two values 1 and 0. Next we are having graphical user interface. GUI is a form of user interface that allows user to interact with electronic devices through the graphical icons and audio indicator. Next one is the supercomputer. Supercomputer is a type of computer with a high level of performance as compared to the general purpose computers. And at last we are having malicious purpose. Malicious purpose refers to having a desire to cause harm to someone using something for wrong purposes like act of hacking. Now let's have some more information about the computers. So let's start with the Bell Laboratories. Nokia Bell Laboratories is an American industrial research and scientific development company owned by Finnish company Nokia. Its headquarters is in New Jersey, USA. Its founder was Alexander Graham Bell. The company operates several laboratories in the United States of America and around the world. And Bell Laboratories was the one who invented transistors in 1947. Next we are having Douglas Engelbart. He invented the first mouse of the computer. He was an American engineer and inventor. He was also known for the development of hypertext network of computers. Next we are having IBM, International Business Machine Corporation. It is an American multinational technology company. Its CEO is Arvind Krishna in 2020 and the founder is Charles Runbate Flint. Company rolled out its first PC in 1981. Its headquarters is in New York. Now we will be talking about the memory storage capacity of hard drives. The memory storage capacity of the first hard drive was 5 MB. Now desktop hard drives can store up to data of 15 terabytes. The next important fact about the computer is that computer understands its own codes, or we can say machine language. That is the binary language. It uses two values 0 and 1. Next we are going to talk about Lisa. It is a desktop computer developed by Apple. It was released on January 19, 1983. It is the first personal computer to present graphical user interface. Now next we are going to talk about Param. Param is a series of supercomputers designed and assembled by the Center of Development of Advanced Computing, CDEC, in Pune, India. Param means supreme in Sanskrit language. Next we are going to talk about one of the most played games on our mobiles and computer, that is Candy Crush Saga. It was a puzzle game released for Facebook 2012 in the month of April. It is a game of swapping two adjacent candies among the several on game board. Now next we are going to talk about malware. It is any software intentionally designed to cause damage to computer, server or client. Example, computer virus, Trojan, computer hacking, etc. Now next we are having trolls. Troll is a person who starts flame wars or upset people on internet by posting off-topic messages in the newspaper, forums, blogs, cartoons. It is a type of internet slang. So now students, I have discussed all the related terms and information about the computers. Now please solve the chapter yourself and please keep exploring. Thank you.